proud, most honest, and her smart awards are music, picture, people, body, and nature.
Leah, congratulations.
Most helpful,
Congrats.
and her
Thank you
smart
so much.
awards are music, picture, people, body, number, and nature. Starting with Andrius Ducho.
Hi guys, good morning, and today is Sunday at ngayong araw na to ay graduation na ni Dior. Congratulations baby! So bali magi-grade 1 na siya next pasukan. Ang bilis lang ng panahon. La. Time check is 7:26 ng umaga kasi nga ang graduation time niya is from 8 to 12. So ayun, papunta na kami dun sa venue kung saan gaganapin yung graduation niya. Dito lang to sa Abu Dhabi din. Hi baby! Are you excited? Wow! Hindi nga rin pala namin kasama sa AL kasi nga bawal daw tatlo or sobra. Kailangan dalawa lang yung kasama sa graduation. Parents lang talaga tapos isang bata. So, ayun, medyo mahigpit sila sa ano kasi nga baka bilang talaga yung upuan. Kasi nga hindi ito sa school nila. Parang nag-rent lang sila ng venue. Parang sport complex, gano'n. Dito na kami.
Been graduated?
Yes, papasok na kami dito. Dito nga pala gaganapin yung ano, graduation ni Dior. Doon ata banda gaganapin kasi nandun yung mga sasakyan papunta doon. Oh, dito tayo magpa-parking. Magpa-park ng sasakyan. Ito na, nandito na kami sa venue nung paggaganapan ng graduation ni Dior. Hi baby! Are you excited and happy?
No, too strict.
So strict. Kinakabahan siya mag-grade 1 kasi daw baka masyadong strict yung mga teachers. Kaya hindi na naman siya excited pumasok sa next pasukan. Kaloka tong batang to. Si Dior nandun lang, si AL nandun lang sa bahay. Tapos dadaanan na lang namin siya mamaya after. Kasi after nito, diretso naman kami sa church. So, papasok kami dun sa loob. Hi, graduation! Pwede na! Baby! So, ito yung na-graduate na ako. May honor ako. Charot. First honor. Laundry at ba? Ang dami ng tao. Wow! Hindi pa nag-start at sobrang madaming tao ngayon. So, pigahan pa kami dito. Baby! Congratulations! Look at me! Congratulations!
Parang tayo.
Wow, may paganito pa. Oh, frame.
Kaya magtubi alayhim wala tawalin. morning. I am Feliz Agatha Avila B.I. from KG2 Kama, and it is my great honor to welcome you all to our moving up ceremony. Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan once said, "The real asset of any advanced nation is its people, especially the educated ones."
Yan. And our parents, magandang buhay po sa ating lahat. Nagkabilang po ba tayo? Alright, so please take your seat. And passion. A warm round of applause. Hindi ba ko lang na-inspire? Ayan. So take your seat.
To commence this momentous occasion, may we invite the advisor of KD2 teachers to the stage, beginning with KD2.
Dedicated ones. Today, we celebrate the hard work this academic year 2025 to 2026, starting with Arbilius Ducho Atay Candelaria, Moritz Navarro Carbonell, most improved, and his smart awards are picture, self, body, number, and nature. Velasco Duan, most honest, and her smart awards are music, picture, people, body, and nature. Arabella
Leia, congratulations.
most helpful,
Congrats.
and her
Thank you
smart
so much,
awards
Alicia.
are music, picture, people, body, number, and nature.
Congratulations. Thank you po.
Thank you so much.
Eva Marie Armani Flores Goldo, most cooperative, and her smart awards are music, picture, self, body, word, number, and nature.
Abilities. Because of you, learning became meaningful and joyful. And whatever happens, good and bad ones, I understand and stay. I can climb this mountain, I can break the door. I can be amazing, there's no telling now how far I'll go. When this pain is fading, it's perfectly I know. So I will do, I will find, I will choose, I will try to be my own superhero.
Dior, you want to take picture with your crush?
Hay nako!
Come on. Dior.
Hay nako! Stop asking me yan!
Baby, congratulations.
Pwede mo lumabas dito.
Mommy, today we have a...
Ha?
Taste tayo?
Hindi naman.
Halika na.
Tapos lang ng producing ni Dior. So, tapos na. Mag-picture-picture muna kami dito. After nito is, pupunta kaming Dubai para mag-worship. Oras is saktong alas 10. Habol na lang kami sa gawain namin sa church.
Bye, Kuya!
Jeanette, thank you ah. Bye-bye. Pre.
I mean, she's also
Ang
calling
init. Pauwi na kami.
She's also calling
Time
me
check
my friend.
is 10:17 ng umaga. So, uwi muna kami sa bahay, tapos daanan namin sa EL. After noon is, diretso na kami sa Dubai para
So,
mag-church.
do you have a date for the cadet?
Ay, bagong palit nga pala yung ano namin. Yan.
And are you
Kulay
also
black
late
na
for the
before,
church?
ano to, kulay orange. What did you say, baby? Can you repeat it again? Can you say it again? The one you are asking.
When I go to college, can I have a boyfriend?
Okay, Daddy.
No, not allowed.
Allowed daw siya? Magbo-boyfriend na daw siya
No,
sa
only
college?
daddy. Only daddy.
I'm
is
sorry,
your
baby, it's
boyfriend.
not allowed daw. Daddy said. Why? Do you want to have a boyfriend?
No.
Huh?
I'm just
When you become a college?
Only daddy is your boyfriend, okay?
And I only be like you.
Ha ha ha. Why you want
My
to have?
graduation!
Why you want to have a boyfriend?
Ah.
Hi guys, so ayun, natapos na nga pala yung graduation ni Dior at hindi na nga rin pala ako nagpag-video hanggang matapos kasi nga nag-lobat yung cellphone ko at hindi nga pala ako nakapag-charge kaya nagulat ako, bigla na lang pumula tapos ayun, nag-shutdown na yung cellphone ko. So, eto, pupunta kami ngayon sa Dubai at mag-worship kami dahil nga Sunday ngayon. Medyo late na talaga kami ngayon pero may gawain naman kami mamayang gabi so hahabol na lang. Hi Dior! Congratulations again baby! What do you want?
Ice cream.
Ice cream?
So.
Okay, we will celebrate but we will celebrate
Not
for
that
your
much
graduation
stuff,
tomorrow, okay?
Yeah, it's yellow now.
Okay?
Today is my graduation.
Yeah, but we will celebrate it tomorrow because we don't have time today. We will be in the church, right? So let's go outside tomorrow. Okay, okay.
Mommy, give me ice cream.
What do you want, baby?
Ice cream.
Ice cream, okay. Daddy, do you want ice cream?
Now.
I also graduated.
Oh, it's not your recognition yet.
I also graduated.
Not yet.
Fair enough.
Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for watching. Bye!